Okay, I'm up on the roof here, on the very top of the third floor. It's a asphalt roll roofing. We got some issues. Biggest thing here is it has the corner blew off here, and not sure how long it's been like this. Probably a while. You can see that they used OSB substrate. You can also see that they went over top of the old roof with the plywood. You can see the old, looks like maybe shingles under there, or another type of asphalt roll roofing. You can also see the water damage that has happened to the plywood. Also did some damage to this drip edge flashing. It actually looks like this possibly blew up in the past, like the wind caught it, blew it up, and then was repaired, and then it happened again. The reason I think that is because I can see this newer flashing on top of the original flashing, which leads me to believe that this may have been a repair. So yeah, this typically this sort of roofing is either torched down or it's fully glued, and I don't see really any sort of adhesion to the substrate, so don't know. Basically it's a sign of poor quality installation. Regardless, if that were to be fixed, then afterwards that's repaired. You would want to coat this whole roof with some sort of UV protectant coating. Silver coating is by far the most common. There are others available, and that looks like that on the neighbor's roof. You do have this chimney here. This house here, this is a shared chimney, but is no longer in use. There is no fuel burning appliance in the house at this time. So let me just jump down here and take a look at the rest of the roof. Yeah, this doesn't really look like the best installation here. I mean, this just pulls right up and is completely soaked underneath. So I could pull this up fairly easily, and I do see water under there. So yeah, I have my reservations about the installation of this roof. And moving on, you do have lots of exposed wood, rotten fascia, peeling paint, and all that good stuff. This is a little bit of a different type of asphalt roll roofing. It's more of a shingle material. It has the granules built into it, which is the UV protectant. So the actual roof covering here looks pretty good. The issue is going to be all this roof tar along the edge that's cracked, and the exposed fasteners that are now rusty. This is always something to keep an eye on, is the roof penetrations. This was a plumbing vent. Don't know if it's still in use, but if it is, it should not be clogged up. You'll get gurgling pipes. I did see a couple of cheater vents, they're called, inside the house under the sinks. So that may have been why they needed to put those in, because that vent has been plugged off. This is not a proper installation of a vent flashing. This actually may be the new vent because it's PVC. But yeah, this roofing tar is not a permanent installation. It dries out, it cracks, and it's an ongoing maintenance thing. And just stepped here, and roof's kind of soft right there. So what else? Yeah, so this lower section here is asphalt shingles. Doesn't get a lot of sun, so there's some moss growing on it. Same thing with the roofing tar goes for, you know, I was talking about with this roof, with the flashing there, or lack of flashing, or it's covered with roof tar. I can't tell because of the roof tar. And yeah, and then there's this like built-in rain gutter type thing that's filled with leaves and water. That's probably gonna be an issue anytime you have standing water. Not a good thing on a roof. Yeah, so that's about it for the roof video. There will be other details in the report. Let's see, is there another roof covering? Oh, okay, just that shed there. So yeah, that's about it for the roof here.